Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine. Students, let's start our today's session. In our previous session, we have learned about plants. Students, today we will discuss about plants. We get many things from plants. We use many things in our daily life like cotton, wood, medicine, and food items. Students, all these things we get from plants. Very good. Students, open your book I Can Achiever Level 4. Open page number 10. Read the name of things and tick the ones we get from plants. Students, see these things we get from plants like fruits, vegetables, etc. And these things we do not get from plants like milk, leather, water, etc. Students, tick the things we get from plants and trees. You can tick pencil, beehive, a dress, and a chair. Okay, good. Students, let's do one activity. Students, let's do one activity. Draw one line with the help of chalk on your floor and write numbers from 10 to 1. Right? Now, stand on 10. Stand on 10. Now, on 9. Yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, yes, 1. Students, in this way, you can learn backward counting, right? Now, open your book, I Can Achiever. Page number 11. Complete the page. Students, fill the numbers and help the cat to come down from the tree. What comes before 10?
9,
9. What comes before 9?
8,
Yes, 8. Write 8. What comes before 8?
7,
7. What comes before 7?
6,
6. What comes before 6?
5,
5. What comes before 5?
4,
4. What comes before 4?
2,
No, beta, it's wrong. 3. What comes before 3?
2,
2. What comes before 2?
1.
1. Okay. Let's read a rhyme. 10 green bottles. Okay. Speak after me. 10 green bottles hanging on the wall. 10 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 9 left hanging on the wall. There will be 9 left hanging on the wall. 9 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 8 left hanging on the wall. 8 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 9 left hanging on the. There will be 7 left hanging on the wall. 7 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 6 left hanging on the wall. 6 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 5 left hanging on the wall. 5 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 4 left hanging on the wall. 4 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 3 left hanging on the wall. 3 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 2 left hanging on the wall. 2 green bottles hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 1 left hanging on the wall. 1 green bottle hanging on the wall. If one bottle accidentally fall, there will be 0 left hanging on the wall. Students, 0 means nothing. Okay, good. Let's do an activity. Take some flowers and plants. Then make them tallest to shortest. Students, open page number 12 of your book and complete it. Yes, color the tallest tree. There are 3 trees on this page: tallest, taller, and tall. You should color the tallest tree, right? Good. Now open page number 30 of your book. I Can Achiever. Complete it. Let's revise the consonant blend done in the previous session. We have learned so many blends like BL, BLACK, black, BLANKET, blanket, BLINK, blink, BLOCK, block, BLOOM, bloom, BLOW, blow, BLOOD, blood, BLOSSOM, blossom, BLUE, blue, BLUSH, blush. Yes. Read the words. CLAP, clap. CLASS, class. CLAY, clay. CLEAN, clean. CLINIC, clinic. Write in proper lines. Speak and write. CLIP, clip. CLOUDS, clouds. CLOCK, clock. CLOTHES, clothes. CLOWN, clown. Okay. You can revise BR and CR blends. Yes, students, let's revise the rhyme I spy with my little eyes. Okay, you can listen this rhyme. The link is given in the description box. Okay, good. Students, after doing this work, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in this session. Like you have learned about plants, backward counting, how to write. Yes, you have learned the concept of tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, revise the rhyme 10 green bottles and also revise the blends BL blend, CL blend, BR, CR, etc. Students, brush your teeth twice a day. Do not eat candies. Okay, students, put in dustbin. Put your waste things in dustbin. Don't throw here and there. Help your parents in cleaning the house. Keep your everything on proper place. After doing your homework, keep your books and notebooks in bag. Students, play with your siblings. Play inside. Do not go outside and practice the rhymes you have learned. Okay? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.